I know many people struggle to write clear, compelling marketing copy. Well, I take that burden off business owners by crafting copy that cuts through the noise, allowing them to reach more potential customers and grow their business. Holly Fisher here with Fisher Creative Marketing. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Monday Marketing Minute. Well, I know it can be really easy when you first start your business to do a lot of things yourself. And marketing usually is one of those, right? We hate to spend the money to hire someone, so we just try to learn and we try to do it as we go. I think we've all done that with certain aspects of our business, whether it's bookkeeping or accounting or marketing or even some HR services, right? But at some point, we get to a place where we actually need some professional help, right? We need that bookkeeper, we need that accountant, maybe we need that marketing professional. So let me share a few signs with you that you might need some help with your marketing. So number one is your lead generation is really stagnant. You know you have a fantastic product or service, but you're just not getting the leads that you know you could. You probably need some help with your marketing and even more specifically with your messaging. So that's a sign that you might need some professional help. Also, your website traffic is down. People aren't visiting your website, or if they are visiting your website, they're bouncing really quickly. They're not hanging around, they're not reading any of the content, and they're certainly not taking any action. So now it's time to take a look at what's not working on your website. Do we need to be more clear? Do we need more calls to action? What do we need to take a look at? So it might be time for some help. Another one is if you think your target audience is everyone. If you believe that your business can serve every single person in the world, we might need to talk. It's probably time to hone in on a specific audience, maybe niche down a little bit, and I think you'll see some really fantastic results. Another sign that it might be time for some marketing help is that you have spent a ton of time and especially a lot of money just throwing some things at the wall to see what sticks. Okay, you've tried digital marketing, you've tried Facebook ads, you've tried social media, you've just tried all of the things, and yet nothing is working. All right, it's time for us to take a step back and really assess and figure out the areas that are going to be most impactful for you. And then the last sign that you might need some marketing help is that you're honestly spending a ton of your own time trying to do marketing yourself. And you should really be focused on the areas of your business where you can have the most impact. A couple of years, well, maybe a few years ago, I hired a bookkeeper. I could spend my time in QuickBooks, but it was not the best use of my time. It was not my area of expertise, and honestly, I hated it. So when I hired the bookkeeper, oh my gosh, what a relief. So I could focus more of my time on the things that I could do really well, like marketing and copywriting, and the bookkeeper could handle the stuff that she could do really well. So if that's you, might be time for a little bit of outsourcing. So those are some signs that it might be time for you to get some help with your marketing. Your lead generation is static, your website traffic is down, you don't have a target or niche audience, you aren't seeing any return on investment for the money you're spending, and you're just spending too much of your own time on marketing. Thanks so much for joining me for this episode of Monday Marketing Minute, and I look forward to sharing even more ways that you can fuel your marketing.